Hello everybody.
Namaste. How are you?
Good. So welcome back to our channel. So this is going to be a very fun video क्योंकि आज हम करने वाले हैं राया का नेल आर्ट. So basically राया मेरे नेल्स करती हैं, जेल नेल पेंट लगाती हैं, बट आज मैं करने वाली हूँ बिकॉज मुझे नहीं आता है, बट आई विल गोना ट्राई एंड आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं कुछ ख़राब ना करूँ. सो वी हैव सो मैनी जेल नेल पेंट ऑप्शंस. We have red, white, pink.
Hindi bolo. So tell this is expensive in the outside if you want to do, but you purchase in home is gonna be very cheap and everybody can do. Here we are going to teach you how we are doing our gel polish in home. In Hindi bolo.
Okay guys, so हम लोग अपना नेल आर्ट जो है वो घर पे ही करते हैं बिकॉज जो अगर आप बाहर जाओगे तो आपको जेल नेल पेंट लगाने के लिए आराम से 600-700 देना ही पड़ता है मिनिमम एंड मैक्सिमम अगर आप चेंज करोगे. बट हम लोग हमेशा घर पे करते हैं तो हमें काफ़ी रीजनेबल पड़ जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू आउटसाइड बिकॉज हम जब मर्जी चाहे चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. सो राया, प्लीज टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स.
So I say in Hindi, you say later in English. You say in
5 minutes later.
Yeah.
Okay. See, I only purchase few color which usually I use. Some pink, white, shimmer, 2 different shade of red. Okay.
Okay.
Which all of them is this. These are in offers. I got it for 350.
Okay.
And these are in offer. I got for 500. And we need for this we need 2 also, which is one is base coat, one is top coat.
Yeah.
So we are gonna teach you now how you are gonna use all of this for yourself at home, which is gonna cost you very cheap. You can do in home and very easy.
Nail shaper also. We can
Buffer for buffing and for removing the old gel polish. Then we'll go. Now you are not seeing us. You will see only hands.
See, I have already done, but I'm gonna do first.
We are gonna. No. I do you. You do me.
Okay then.
Yeah. I do for you. You do for me.
Okay. I hope I will do better. Let's just see, guys, who will do better.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are back. So I use this machine. Okay. In India, very rare people use this machine because this is difficult to handle. But if you cannot use this machine, you can use. See this one. It's like this buffer, but here. So it's gonna make you very fast. So I can use this also. What you do? Only remove the nail. This one should be little hard. I think this is more harder. Yeah. This is good for removing.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. You can remove it with this, or there are remover as well. You put remover, you foil, and you remove the gel polish. Then again you can apply more. See, like this.
ऐसे.
Remove.
This is how it will look. So we're gonna remove all of them.
If you can get the remover also, there are remover for gel polish. So you can apply and put it in a foil, wait for 10 minutes. Tell in Hindi bolo.
So guys, मार्केट में हेयर रिमूवल कह रही हूँ, जेल नेल पेंट रिमूवर भी मिलता है जिसको आप लगाओ एंड देन फॉइल से कवर करके 10 मिनट्स के लिए छोड़ दो, देन इट विल रिमूव ऑटोमेटिकली, राइट.
So we'll stop here, we remove, then we will come back how to apply gel polish. Yeah.
So guys, हमारे nails ready हैं. बस हमने थोड़ा सा क्लीन करना है. मैं दोबारा से रेड कलर ही लगवाने वाली हूँ बिकॉज मुझे रेड बहुत अच्छा लगा है.
So we can remove the extra. See, you will do this with this push.
हम लोग जो एक्स्ट्रा स्किन है, डेड स्किन, उनको निकालेंगे. पुश करने के बाद जो डेड स्किन रह जाती है ना, उसको इससे निकालते हैं तो ये बिल्कुल क्लीन हो जाता है. You see? So much extra dead skin.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the base coat now.
This one. First, you बोलो, हिंदी बोलो, पूछा.
ये
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
ये बेस कोट अब हम लगाने वाले हैं.
Okay.
मशीन को पकड़ने में बड़ा जोर लग रहा था. ये है हमारा UV लाइट जिसके अंदर हम ड्राई करने वाले हैं अपना बेस कोट.
Put it inside. For 1 minute. Come.
So guys, ये हो गए हैं ड्राई. अब we're gonna
It's not
put
dry. You have to, after you put top coat, then will get dry.
So this is our first coat. इसको भी हम ड्राई करेंगे अब.
Again, you will put it inside.
1 minute later.
What happened that I put it inside, it was burning?
I don't know. Second coat. Usually do 2 times because more makes your original nail also little thick. You know, Hindi bolo, and don't lose your finger.
Guys, usually हम 2 टाइम लगाते हैं कोटिंग बिकॉज अगर आप इसे ज़्यादा लगाओगे तो आपके नेल्स बहुत ज़्यादा थिक लगेंगे और फिर उनको निकालना इज़ वेरी टफ.
A few moments later.
So this is the second, after second coating ये ऐसा लग रहा है. It's really lovely. Then हम लोग अब first top coat लगाएंगे. To give that glossy, shiny nails.
Even dry.
Yeah.
I'm done. You can do it at your home while watching movie.
Yeah.
1 minute later.
So it's done.
No, one more time. One more. All the brands which we use here. You can see. What is it?
Beauty Evolve.
This is the base coat and top coat, and the gel polish. I got it for $3.50. Love Your Nails brand.
Look what black is doing. Guys, finally हम लोगों ने कर लिया है ये our
Okay,
nails
let's
are done.
finish. Hello everybody, we came back. We did.
So as you can see, my nails, these are looking super eye-catching. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है guys.
So you need 3. Tell him.
Nail
Buffer.
buffer.
1 soft.
1 soft, 1 harder.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
Maybe.
एक
You don't
थोड़ा
know.
सा मुलायम चाहिए और एक थोड़ा सा रफ खुदरा चाहिए. थोड़ा सा अब मुझे नहीं पता उसको क्या
मुझे नहीं
बोलते हैं.
पता too.
हाँ.
One is very rough, one is medium, one is light.
हाँ.
So these 3 you need. You need a base coat and top coat, any brand which you like, and gel polish. That's it. And the machine which I purchased for 1,000 rupees, and this gel polish for 350, and these are 500, and these are 150 rupees each.
Yeah.
And this one, if you want to remove the extra skin, this is 250 something, 150, 250, 350, depends.
Okay. एक time का खर्चा है and then you will get everything.
Exactly. And anytime you go for gel polish, minimum you should pay 700-800. Imagine, once a month is also you go. So,
It's better to get everything.
and you can lifetime use it.
Yeah.
And very easy.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
You
Just
can-
for me it was little rocket science because मेरे को वो मशीन होल्ड नहीं हो रहा था तो मैंने
You don't need to do machine. Machine,
Yeah.
you need to be very professional. That is
Yeah.
different. You can do it with the hand, with this buffing also.
Right.
And for removing, you can buy a nail gel polish remover. You put in a cotton, put in your finger, cover it with the foil.
and then leave it for
5
10.
minutes.
हाँ,
Then
5
all when you do rub, all come off with this one rubbing coming off.
Wow.
Thanks for watching us.
Thank you,
Namaste.
guys.
Love you.